What's up YouTube? Today I'm coming at you with a massive lifesaver. But before that, let me give you a little backstory. When I'm at the movies, say with my brother who has a Samsung Galaxy, I've noticed that his brightness, like his phone brightness, can go much lower than what my phone brightness can go, and I have an iPhone 6s. This is very frustrating to me because if I want to text at the movies, yes, I text at the movies, get over it. I basically can't because even though my iPhone is on the lowest brightness setting, it still is very bright and it makes me very uncomfortable. Now, I could either compromise and not text at the movies or find a solution and present it to you. Go to your phone or iPad settings. Once you're in general, click on accessibility. You can see that the second option is zoom and it's most likely set on off. So click on that and turn it on. What you're gonna do is tap the screen 3 times with 3 fingers. Now, again, I can't really show you what the tap looks like, but I need you to tap 3 times on your screen with 3 fingers. Once you've done that, this little box should open up and proceed to zoom out with the slider below. Once you do that, click on choose region, the second option, and instead of window zoom, click on full screen zoom. Click on choose filter, which is the third option, and low light. You may now notice that my light went down significantly. Click anywhere on the screen, go back to accessibility, go all the way down, and you're going to see accessibility shortcut. Now in this step 6, just click on the last option, which is zoom, and you should get a little check mark next to it. Now, since we've established the zoom or the darker effect as a shortcut, we do not have to go through all of the steps constantly if we ever want a darker light. All we have to do is triple tap the home button and the effect activates. Now if I put the brightness all the way up, triple tap the home button, my screen has become significantly darker even with the brightness set on max. This honestly is a game changer for me because now I can text in every single movie theater I go and not care, absolutely nothing. If this has worked for you, drop a like, or if it hasn't, drop a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and lastly, don't forget to get your geek on.